everyone.
What's going on today, guys? If it looks like it's the exact same setting as the last video, it's because it is. Unfortunately, for today's video, I didn't actually get a chance to record an intro or an outro. So this is the intro. If you haven't seen the last video, pretty much I announced that I am boosting the car. So the car is getting significant changes from top to bottom, and I guess you can call this step 0. And when you're boosting your car, if you want to make it reliable and drivable and actually enjoy the boost, one thing I'm gonna have to do is to reduce the stanciness of my car. Today we're picking up some really nice tires. Picking up some 255 35 18s. They're I think they're called Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s. So there's some really good I guess summer tires, and should be able to take them to the track. Let's see how it goes.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
What's going on?
This is a test fit before changing anything. Look at that fitment.
Look how fat these tires are.
255.
Yo, you could probably drop it in.
I can run it like this, but I'll
get the camber. Oh yeah, with the height, right?
Yeah.
It might just tuck.
I'll rub here.
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
On the bumper area.
Yeah.
I mean, I could rock it for a bit.
You could try it. You could test it out and just fix the back.
Alright, so trying to fit this new tire setup and making sure they're clear. So adjusting the height, and we're gonna adjust the camber after. Let's see. Yo, you guys hating on me, bro.
What's going on YouTube, bro?
Whoever's watching this video, don't get white wheels if you have Brembos. Don't get white wheels. Yeah, so here, Umar, since you saw my old wheels before, look at the clearance here.
Oh yeah, that's not.
That's scary, eh?
Yeah, that's
nuts.
That's messed up. Like,
Tell me if you've seen that before.
my buddy has these same wheels on the Brembo brakes on his STI.
Yeah.
They literally had to scrape off a bit of the brake.
Oh, just for the clearance?
And we're like, dude, you're gonna blow your brake. Like, it's just, you're gonna lose all brake pressure. Because if it blows out through there, you're done.
You think they're gonna touch the same way the front did?
They might. They might. Let's see.
Because like, this looks like, you know what, a regular person would be fine with this gap.
Yeah, probably.
Right? Like, this would be like the average person's like, I'm gonna lower my car to this.
Yeah, like literally,
sit and it's gonna go.
that's what most people want.
Yeah.
But your car's in the air right now.
I don't know if you can even see like that low, but like, see this piece of metal right in the middle? Yeah. That wasn't an exhaust flange.
Seriously?
And it kept scraping, that it was opening at the bottom. Jeez. So I went to an exhaust shop and they cut it off and just straight welded. Because it was like way too low.
So they just like, alright. Well, at least you're not rubbing it now.
Maybe. We'll see.
Bruh.
He's rattling the garage door.
That's a Subi light, bro. Yo, it's a straight up helicopter, my guy. man's confused, bro.
Yo, I like it a lot. Like, I could adjust it still, but this is like, I'm happy with this. There was no sounds on wheel lock when I was pulling up this way.
Yeah.
Had a minor scrape, but look at this like shitty gravel. So I'm alright with that.
Like it's gonna happen.
Yeah. Like, yo, it actually like, as long as I'm not like scraping on like the fender liner and stuff, and the fender will like.
No, I think, dude, this is.
Yo, did I happen to get the front and the back like even? Like I'm right. Like
oh,
the front,
dude, yeah, you're perfect.
The front is like right on this line, right?
Yeah,
and
same.
the back is like.
Oh, it's just a little bit. Yeah.
It's like 2 millimeters.
Yeah.
All right, so it's been about a week since I've had the tires on the car. I've probably driven about, I want to say like 200 to 300 kilometers on them. And man, what a difference. So first of all, I just want to say these tires are sick. They're super grippy. The tires have a softer compound, so they're actually softer than the Night Kings I had, which means like the tires are probably going to wear out a little bit sooner. And the ride's a little bit quieter, which I love because my exhaust is already really loud. And it's one thing I kind of fear for the supercharger. When I put it in, I might not be able to hear it. So this is one thing that's already going to help with the volume. So I'm really liking how these tires look, and like obviously changing the height, change the camber a bit in the back. So car looks a lot better. This is kind of where I wanted to be when I stanced the car originally. But yo, we went for some rollers. My boy Hamza, I'll point his Instagram out right here. Honestly, he's amazing. He does some magic with his camera, and he's like really good. We got some rollers, and his shots came out really sick. So I'll throw a little clip in right here. As you can see, like, I don't know, man, like at least right now the car looks really good, and I'm hoping to change it up a little bit. And I'm not exactly bored with things, but it's nice to have just some change every little while. Anyway, so let me show you guys what it looks like. It still looks hella low. It's not as low as it used to look, which I'm not a fan of, but it's still low. I like it. As you can see, still got a bit of camber. I'm probably about -4 on the front and -5 in the back. It's really, really close. Like you can see, it's like little to no difference. But super excited with how it's come out so far. Car drives really well. Gained quite a bit of ground clearance, which is super, super welcome. As you can see, my exhaust tank's super low. I've already had to modify that to fit. And here's another shot in the back. Like, it looks super aggressive, and I love it. Like, the car drives so much better now. I do kind of want to dial the camber back a bit. I want to go at most -4 all around it, maybe even -3. But to do that, I probably will have to roll my fenders, because it's kind of hard to tell if I can get it to focus. I'll see. Maybe I'll roll that and then reduce the camber a bit. But I'm super happy with how it came out, and that's essentially episode 0 of the Boosting This Car series. So take a quick look at it. Next episode I'll go over the boost spec, the whole build spec, and show you guys what the plan is, what the supporting mods will be exactly. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in. See you guys next time. And I'm really liking like how these tires, oh, man down, man down. All right, that's enough vlogging. I'm gonna get some Popeyes right now, man. I'm done with this. Too hot outside here.